It's quite possible Henry's stuck inside a MiG. You good, bud?
Welcome to my crib.
How was your first Kyrgyz bribe?
Pretty chilled. So 10 out of 10 on that front.
That was actually pretty quick and painless. Yeah.
Did you notice the way they kept trying to split us all up?
Yeah.
And you notice the way that Andre kept trying to tell them how I spoke Russian?
He was trying to
Damn it.
Real smooth, Andrew. What was the one rule, please?
We all speak Portuguese.
So, in a nutshell, basically we got pulled over. The guy brought us out, showed us a speeding ticket, tried to separate me and Max away from Andre and Henry, who were driving at the time. Max was really standpoint and was kind of like, no, I'm not going anywhere. Went back and forth for a little bit to about 1,000 for both cars, which is like 13 euros, which for the sake of argument, that's 90 cents in between all of us. So good to go. Now we're back on the road, and consider it a toll.
So this is a pretty standard try to find something to sleep. Yeah, Turkish give you a friend. So this is a standard now. So there's a yurt and it's open and we can have it. It's about €1 per person. They seem really decent. Once you shut the door, they're pretty closed off. Everyone's sleeping bags and crap. It's a tent but just spacier. And they seem nice.
Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah, we're feeling pretty chuffed right now. You can't get a yurt out of season. Yes, you fucking can if you try hard enough.
Just gotta ask enough people. The most authentic outdoor squatty potty around. That's where all your droppings go. You can see who has been here before. And the entrance right over here. It's really nice, actually. You think about it, you got a whole front door. Got a nice little lock there for you. Somebody can lock you in if they like, you know?
That's what I thought.
Yes. These beers have made it from the UK to Kyrgyzstan, and we have 2 elemental beers left. They're basically like a cucumbery citrus beer, and they're made from old bread. This one is called the Daintree Mango Sour.
I love that one.
And mango, like the sour ones are like sour sweets.
So I survived, but what did it see on the way?
To the final group cook.
Yeah, I'm not avoiding the
So I can
edges
pay my
right
way and pay my dues.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm just thinking.
Some kind of chili con carne slot.
I would have used it.
So it is time to have the gift that was bestowed upon us from the people of Uzbekistan. But I find, I guess it's gonna be a cognac. Why is it already sticky?
Maybe the altitude.
I haven't even opened it.
Say something before you
So,
Everyone has music.
yeah. Everybody has to say something before.
I don't know. I can't believe it's been 98 days. Hopefully I stay in touch with at least most of you.
Just George, basically.
Thank you for organizing. Thanks, Vanessa, especially for the Russian speaking and all the fucking food bullshit.
Thanks everyone. It's been amazing. Hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have.
Sorry for all the questions, and thanks for all the day drinking.
But I hope to stay in touch with everybody, especially you.
I think it's actually pointing at Taylor.
I was pointing at the heater. Thanks guys, cheers.
Cheers, guys.
I love this golf clap.
I know, yeah.
Please don't clap after I finish this. It's fucking creepy. Stop it, Dominic.
One of the things it keeps going on with the trips with Global Convoy. Every time I go on with a group like this, I always learn a bit of like how about others and about myself. I hope you guys keep going. Yeah, love you all. Love all the people, the new people as well.
It's the first time I'm traveling like with such a big group because even at school we never did this. It's perfect. So it's pretty cool.
One day when I'm old and grey, I will think back to these days, and I think it will be really nice memories.
Thank you so much for coming. This has genuinely been awesome. Hopefully we get to do this for the rest of our lives and bring you all with us on the weird, strange adventure that is whatever the fuck this is.
What do I say about this motherfucking shit show full of shamrock fucking, cheese obsessed, cockney, bleeding, really horse obsessed, getting lost, Spanish, broke, dog obsessed, shower of hose, fucking Yankee.
Thank you guys all for coming. You're all fucking beautiful. You're all amazing. I know this is weird. I know it's been hard. I know it's been rough. It's hurt sometimes. People have been cold. People shit their pants. There's a lot of weird stuff that goes on these trips.
Has anybody shut their pants?
Joel has.
I'm guessing pretty close.
And there's still time.
Thank you guys all for coming, genuinely. I love every single one of you. I hope that we keep in contact for the rest of our lives because this is why I like doing this. This is why Max likes doing this. This is why Becca likes doing this. And yeah, like, you're all fucking amazing. I can't wait to do this with you again. Cheers. Let's drink. I don't know whose it is, but
So it's day 99, so it means it's our last day camping and being outdoors. But yeah, we're gonna pack up. We slept to the yurt last night and head to Bishkek for our final 100th day. We're making our last batch of Trading Post coffee. It's lasted us 99 days, so thank you very much. It has kept us alive and awake on the roads.
the last time we returned the top box. Secure me in the box.
Getting pretty good at that.
Beautiful. Is welcome to the Convoy.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
they drove into the bed.
Oh, that is done for. Oh man.
I can still go in place.
I did not see 99 days.
Put that gate here.
We've got a grand total of 0.2 meters, and we've already had a crash.
Yuri Gagarin, Первый космонавт мира. And it means
Yuri Gagarin, the first cosmonaut in the world.
This is one of the main reasons why we came to Kyrgyzstan. Just because of shit like this.
So good.
So it's one of our last days in Kyrgyzstan, our last day camping. We got to spend the last night in the yurt, which was fantastic. And then came out and did this hike today, which is going to be our last hike of the trip. But totally didn't disappoint. We saw wolf tracks and ice waterfalls.
and just Kyrgyzstan just keeps giving. It's just too amazing. Can't wait to come back here. I'm so sad that we have to leave.
Oh, so icy fresh. Oh man, that's awesome. Oh, have a tea.
So, Joel and I got ourselves a little bit stuck in this valley canyon with the ice waterfalls.
Release the inner mountain goat.
Absolutely epic view, and we were trying to get across this thing.
Except I just kicked the other one into the water. Yeah, we can definitely get across. Go over that side to go down.
So, that's where we came from. And that's where we gotta go.
What have we found?
MiG. It's an old Soviet plane.
It's quite possible Henry's stuck inside a MiG. You good, bud? That's just insane.
Is your camera charged?
Now, Joel walked over with the can of beer. Now they're hugging, and the policeman is happy now.
Get behind the car.
And there goes basically 99 days of driving from London to Bishkek. And just like that, our final day of driving is done. We're now going to go chill, enjoy our last night, and then have a nice hungover morning together, and then go explore Bishkek tomorrow.
Shall we order a pitcher of vodka? Yeah, let's get a pitcher of vodka. Pitcher of vodka. No, let's get a small and have a work.
So it's what? It's
4 minutes to 3.
oh shit, yeah, it's like 3 in the morning and the power just died in the bar, so.
On the whole street as well. Yeah, no power. I don't think anything's coming back on.
How was the final day beginning?
Good. A big fryer.
And some mimosas.
Mimosas.
I heard my call.
So it's day 100. We're hanging out with Ed Pratt and Joel in Russian just ordered 10 shots of vodka. I've been teaching him numbers this whole trip. I've never been so proud to see him blossom into this just about Russian-speaking man who can order more alcohol than he should.
Cheers!
To unicycles!
Driving cars.
Sounds less impressive somehow.
I wanted to say thank you fucking Henry for coming on this trip. You have been our solid cameraman the entire time. I haven't had to do shit. It's been great. Like, all of the footage and everything that we have is better because of you. We are better people because of you. We've had a better trip because of you. Hey man, thank you so much for coming.
To that guy that's way too full of himself.
I'd say he's alright. This episode is dedicated for Henry.
It's not even one wheel. What's the point, man? It gets cultier by the day. Any last words?
No words can describe this.
We are donating our leftover sleeping stuff, clothes, shoes, whatever, to local orphanages, charities, homeless people that need it for the winter.
So we are just finalizing the contract here for the cars, signing off their new home for the next 6 months to a year or so.
Any final goodbyes for the cars?
Goodbye, sleep well.
I did ours. It genuinely...
Separation anxiety.
Yeah, seriously, like...
So, I am back home in Ireland. It has been 100 days, 15 countries. It is officially time to take it off.